The U.S. Department of Energy Solar Decathlon is basically a solar design competition that challenges collegiate teams to come up with a solar home that can reach energy balance, meaning you use as much or less energy than your house solar panel can produce. And that house needs to be basically designed for your own climate. So they're looking for teams from different locations of the world to present how energy efficient home can be built in any climate and still work.
Along with being more than fully functional, it had to withstand an extraordinary process of construction, deconstruction, and reconstruction as it traveled from Las Vegas to the competition site at an airfield in Irvine, California. But the students were well prepared by expert faculty advisors and supported by skilled professionals.
It's very exciting. When we first got there, there was a blank runway with nothing on it, and then we started. All 19 teams that got there had to basically put their house together in 10 days.
Both points and deductions really add up in a contest of Olympic expectations where every competitor is subjected to extensive testing, rating, and scoring.
Basically measuring all the temperature in the house, your refrigerator, freezer temperature, and we are tasked to run the dishwasher and wash towels, test out all the appliances, and also in the meantime use energy to see if your house will eventually perform energy balance.
But not just in its native desert conditions, it also had to achieve the highest standards of performance in the more variable California climate.
Throughout the competition, the weather changed. Like we went from regular, typical California weather to Santa Ana wind, dry and windy, and hot, and then it goes to a cold, rainy day for one whole day. So we actually had to adjust through all these different conditions, but our equipment definitely worked.
Well enough to be named the winning team out of all the American universities and to earn a place of honor alongside international solar energy powerhouses such as Austria and the Czech Republic.
We won second place for the overall competition, and we were the only U.S. team that placed in top 3.
And this recognition was made even more impressive because it was based on both the aesthetics and engineering of the home.
We won first place in market appeal, second place in communication, and third place in engineering. And then we also tied first place in hot water energy balance.
Because it's a victory with real-world applications, that makes it even sweeter for project partners like Party Homes, the City of Las Vegas, NV Energy, the Las Vegas Valley Water District, the Marnell Companies, PKMM, and hundreds of other sponsors who are helping to give the house a permanent new home at the Springs Preserve.
You know, we really vision the Springs Preserve as cutting edge and being able to showcase and demonstrate the latest and greatest in technology and to be able to share that with the public.
Even in the early phases of preparing a permanent site, it became obvious how well it would fit and flow into its garden setting.
The nice thing about the house is it's both an indoor and an outdoor exhibit. It's a house, so it has a front yard, it has a backyard, and we really wanted to work with UNLV and our team to integrate it into the landscape. It's not just a house placed on the site and you can go in. It feels like it belongs here and that it lives here, and you know, the outdoor environment really is as important as what's going on inside.
And that will allow everyone to bask in the accomplishments of the UNLV team and their desert-inspired home, which practically sells itself with its sunny appeal.
I think what we really accomplished as this team is we produced a product, the house, that is really beautiful. And since we won market appeal first place, it's obviously something that everyone wants to live in.